welcome back everybody. We're back here in the garage. And this afternoon we're going to be looking at the Taurus Millennium Pro G2, or better known as the PT111 G2. It's a 9mm subcompact semi-automatic pistol. It is single action. It is double action.
The pizza rolls are done.
Thank you, baby. It has a fixed front sight and adjustable rear sight. Alright. The barrel is 3.2 inches long and the overall length is 6.3 inches. This weapon has been made clear. And I'm going to show you how to disassemble it. A little quick cleaning and reassemble it. You'll be amazed how easy this is. Almost like they stole the idea from another company. It's creepy. Come on a little closer and I'll show you what I mean. The takedown or disassembly of this Taurus Millennium G2 was very similar to another gun out there. You're about to see why. We're going to make sure it's clear. Magazine's out. Not chambered. Ready to go. You see here, just like the clock. Very, very similar. So we're going to push this back. Grab another hand there. Push it back. Hold it a little bit. Pull these down. Let it go. Watch this. Pull the trigger. Popped up just a little bit. Slide this forward. Bam. Just like that. There's your frame. Right here is your recoil guide rod, and there's your barrel, and just like that, you say, wow, looks almost like a Glock. You're right, it does. So I'm gonna wipe it down real quick, put my patented gloves on. Well, I said patent. I don't have a patent on these at all. I just don't like to have funky stuff all over me. That and the wife thinks it stinks. So, quick run down with the nasty rag. Get everything that I see that I want off of it. Inside the slide. Both sides. Alright. There we go. The frame, just like that. Done. Guide rod, done. And barrel. And I'm gonna cut here. I'm gonna go get my bore snake from my 9mm. Run it through it a few times. Come back and reassemble it. Now, these bore snakes have been around for numerous years now. If you don't have one, get one. I have one for every caliber gun I shoot, including the 12 gauge. Weighted, string, swab, brush, swab some more. Alright. A little bit of hops number 9. This swab here is a little wet from cleaning already. Run that through there. He didn't get a whole lot shot through it this past weekend, so I'm not gonna do real heavy thorough cleaning. It should be still good to go. Then right there and right back here. Get my brush. Brush it down. Come back here. Brush, brush, brush. Get it nice and clean. Also, I like to take a little bit right there where the firing pin comes out of that. Just rub there. And wipe it down. Alright. And get this guy cleaned back up. Wipe any excess off the frame. Alright. Take my old bore snake here. Run it through there. Do it 2 times. Then check it. Alright. Oh, it looks clean. And I'm going to take... Uh-oh, dropped it. Get another one here. Squeeze the excess off of that. And I notice here that this feed ramp is nasty. Alright. Let that sit for a moment and come back to it. Just a little wipe down of this guy. And that's about it. Get me a clean rag. Be right back. Alright. Nice clean rag, an old t-shirt. Some people may not recommend cut-offs, but because it frazzles and get pieces of cotton everywhere, but I'm okay with it. A little visual check after you get done. Let you know that everything's fine. Oh yeah. It's cleaned up nicely. All that extra solvent off of there in case there's anything on there. I always like to take something here where the recoil rod, guide rod goes. Kind of move it around in there, get that clean. Alright. That looks good. Alright, that's good. Put the lid on the hops. Come back and lube it with some brake free. I use the same bottle, keep refilling it. That's why it looks kind of distorted, but a little drop there, a little drop there. Same and same. Ain't that much. If you look at it, there's really not much keeping the slide on there. You're talking about from there to there, there to there, and the same on this other side. That's all that keeps that on there. Come back with the slide. What I like to do, let's see, it was kind of dirty. I missed a spot. Take that brush and run it up over there. Oh yeah, over there too. There. Good. And just run a little bit of that slide. Usually what I like to do, put a couple of drops on the top side and let it just ooze down on the inside. There it is right there. Alright, that's good. A couple of drops on this guy. just to make it move quick and easy. A couple drops on this guy. Kind of rub it in a little bit. Make it nice and pretty. Alright. So now it's cleaned, lubed, and ready to go back together. Alright. Drop the barrel in there. Set it back in place just like so. Take this guy up front. Squeeze it till it's sitting right there. Alright. Just like so. Alright. Take this guy from the rear of the slide. Get it started. Up. All the way. Good to go. Empty magazine. Make sure it stops. Looks good. Drop the mag. Drop the slide. Check. Clear. Full. Alright. While we're here, and let this plane pass, I'll show you a little bit about the trigger pull on this guy on the reset. Once again, I mean, it's like someone was in the factory or they bought somebody out. Got that double trigger like Glock's used to. Alright. Little pull here. Reset. Reset. Look at that. Look at that reset on that single action. It's close, boy. Alright. There we go. Cleaning the Taurus Millennium G2, or better known as the PT111 G2. Is made in Brazil. Brazilian Taurus manufactured gun. The U.S. headquarters is in Miami, Florida. I got a couple Taurus guns. I would recommend them to about anybody. They're sweet. This one fits good in the palm of my hands. I really like it. You see here this magazine, perfect pinky extension. Magazine drops real smooth, good. You know, I really like them. I like this one particularly. It shoots well. I don't carry this one a whole lot. My wife does. So can't tell you about day-to-day carrying of it, but I do like it. Taurus Millennium G2 9mm semi-automatic pistol. Single action, double action. Well, there you have it. The Taurus Millennium G2 PT111 G2 9mm single action, double action semi-automatic pistol. Disassembly like a Glock. Reassembly, cleaning, and a little bit about it. Like I said, I do like it. My wife carries it. She likes it. I would recommend it. Thank you. If you liked the video, hit like. You want to subscribe? Hit subscribe. Have a good day.